They say money is built through hard work, discipline, and sacrifice. But if that were entirely true, everyone who works hard would be wealthy. And yet, that is not what we see. Because wealth is rarely just about effort. It is about something quieter. Something psychological. A set of invisible rules, shaping how you think, how you decide, how you wait, and how you let go. Some people chase money endlessly, while others seem to build it in silence. So what separates them? Is it knowledge? Luck? Or something deeper, something internal, something formed long before money ever appears? Because the truth is, wealth often begins in places no one talks about. In habits that don't look like wealth, in decisions that don't feel important, and in moments where most people are too distracted to notice. This is not about getting rich quickly. This is about understanding why some people quietly build wealth, while others remain stuck in the same cycle. Let's begin. Most people are taught to believe that hard work is the foundation of wealth. That if you give enough time, enough effort, enough energy, money will follow. But reality tells a different story. There are people who work tirelessly, yet remain financially stuck. And others who seem to move with less effort, yet accumulate more over time. So what's missing? The answer lies in how effort is directed. Because effort without awareness becomes repetition. And repetition without reflection becomes a loop. You can work hard at the wrong things for years and never move forward. Not because you lack discipline, but because your decisions are shaped by patterns you don't see. Wealth is not just built by doing more. It is built by doing differently. By questioning where your energy goes. By noticing what produces results, and what simply consumes time. And this is where the illusion begins to break. Because the goal is not to work endlessly, but to work with awareness. To understand that effort alone is not the key. Direction is. And those who quietly build wealth, often spend less time doing everything, and more time doing what matters. Money has a way of reflecting what exists beneath the surface. Not just your actions, but your beliefs. Your fears. Your identity. Because every financial decision you make is shaped by something deeper than logic. It is shaped by how you see yourself. If you believe money is scarce, you hold on to it tightly, even when letting go would create growth. If you believe you are not capable of wealth, you subconsciously avoid opportunities that could change your situation. And over time, these patterns repeat. Not because you choose them consciously, but because they feel familiar. Safe. Predictable. Money becomes a mirror. Showing you what you value, what you fear, and what you expect from life. And until those internal patterns shift, external results rarely change. This is why some people earn more, but remain in the same cycle. Because income alone does not create wealth. Awareness does. The ability to recognize how your thoughts influence your behavior, and how your behavior shapes your reality. And when that awareness begins to deepen, something changes. Not instantly, but quietly. Because once you see the pattern, it becomes harder to repeat it unconsciously. One of the most subtle differences between those who build wealth, and those who don't, is how they relate to time. Most people want results quickly. They want to see progress immediately. They want effort to translate into reward without delay. But wealth does not respond to urgency. It responds to patience. The ability to delay desire, to wait, to invest time without needing immediate return. This is not easy. Because the mind is wired for immediate gratification. It seeks comfort now, reward now, satisfaction now. But those who build wealth, learn to sit with the discomfort of waiting. They understand that small decisions made consistently over time, create outcomes that cannot be rushed. Like planting something that grows slowly beneath the surface, invisible at first, but powerful over time. And this patience is not passive. It is intentional. It is choosing long-term value over short-term relief. Choosing growth over comfort. And while it may not feel rewarding in the moment, it changes everything in the long run. Because time, when used correctly, becomes one of the most powerful forces in building wealth. There is also something that quietly holds many people back, something that feels harmless, even comfortable. Familiarity. The comfort of staying within what is known. What is predictable. Because growth almost always requires stepping into uncertainty. And uncertainty feels uncomfortable. It challenges identity. It introduces risk. It forces decisions that cannot be controlled. So the mind resists. It prefers the known, even if the known is limiting. This is the comfort trap, where staying the same feels safer than changing, even when change is necessary. And over time, this resistance becomes invisible. It feels like logic, like caution, like responsibility. But beneath it is fear. Fear of loss. Fear of failure. Fear of becoming something unfamiliar. And those who build wealth are not free from this fear. They simply learn to move despite it. Not recklessly, but consciously. Understanding that comfort, while safe, rarely creates expansion. And that growth requires stepping beyond what feels certain into what feels possible. There is a kind of discipline that is rarely seen. It does not announce itself. It does not seek recognition. It exists quietly, in daily choices that seem small, almost insignificant. Saving when it would be easier to spend. Continuing when motivation fades. Repeating actions that do not bring immediate reward. This is silent discipline. And it is one of the strongest foundations of wealth. Because wealth is not built in moments of intensity. It is built in moments of consistency. In decisions that no one notices. In habits that do not look impressive, but accumulate over time. And this is why many people struggle with it. Because it does not feel exciting. It does not provide instant feedback. It requires trust in a process that unfolds slowly. But those who embrace this begin to see something different. They begin to see how small actions compound. How consistency creates stability. How restraint builds freedom. And over time, what once felt invisible becomes undeniable. Not because it happened suddenly, but because it was happening all along. Attention is one of the most valuable resources you have, yet it is often given away without awareness. To distractions. To noise. To things that feel urgent, but are not meaningful. And over time, this scattered attention creates scattered results. Because where your attention goes, your energy follows. And where your energy goes, outcomes begin to form. Those who build wealth understand this quietly. They are not perfect. They are not immune to distraction. But they are selective. They choose where to focus. What to ignore. What deserves their time, and what does not. And this selectivity creates clarity. It allows them to notice opportunities others overlook. To stay consistent where others drift. To build momentum while others reset repeatedly. And this is not about control. It is about awareness. About recognizing that attention is not infinite. That it must be directed, not scattered. And when that awareness deepens, something shifts. Because you begin to see how much of your time has been consumed by what does not matter. And how much potential exists in what does. Emotions play a quiet but powerful role in financial decisions. Fear can make you hold on too tightly, or let go too quickly. Excitement can push you into choices that feel right in the moment, but lack long-term value. And without awareness, these emotions shape outcomes more than logic ever will. Those who build wealth are not emotionless. They feel the same impulses, the same reactions, the same uncertainty. But they learn to create space between feeling and action. To pause. To observe. To question whether a decision is driven by emotion or by clarity. And this pause changes everything. Because it prevents impulsive choices. It allows reason to enter. It creates stability in moments that would otherwise be chaotic. And over time, this emotional detachment becomes a strength. Not by removing emotion, but by understanding it. By not allowing it to dictate every decision. And in that understanding, financial choices become more grounded, more consistent, more aligned with long-term outcomes. At some point, something deeper begins to shift. Not just behavior, but identity. Because lasting wealth is not sustained by actions alone. It is sustained by who you become. The way you think. The way you respond. The way you see the world. When your identity changes, your decisions follow naturally. You no longer have to force discipline. You no longer have to remind yourself constantly. Because your actions begin to align with who you are. And this shift is subtle. It does not happen overnight. It happens through repeated awareness. Through small changes in perspective. Through choosing differently, again and again, until it becomes natural. And when this happens, wealth is no longer something you chase. It becomes something you build, almost without resistance. Because it is no longer separate from you. It is part of how you think. How you live. How you move through the world. Wealth is often misunderstood because it moves slowly. It does not always show immediate results. It does not always feel exciting. It builds quietly, over time, through consistency and patience. And in a world that values speed, this can feel frustrating. Because the results are not visible at first. But beneath the surface, something is growing. Small decisions stacking on top of each other. Progress that cannot be seen, but is always forming. And those who understand this, do not rush it. They allow time to do its work. They trust the process, even when it feels slow. And eventually, what was invisible, becomes visible. Not suddenly, but inevitably. Because wealth is not built in moments. It is built in patterns. And patterns, when repeated long enough, become outcomes. If this reflection made you pause, if parts of it felt familiar in a quiet way, then maybe there is nothing missing. Maybe what you need is not more effort, but more awareness. Because wealth is not only about money. It is about understanding how you think, how you decide, and how you move through the world. And you are not alone in that process. There are others learning, observing, shifting quietly in the same way. And if you would like to stay connected to this kind of reflection, to a space where the psychology behind everyday life is explored gently, you can consider subscribing. Not as pressure, but as an invitation. And if you feel comfortable, you can share your thoughts below. Not because you have to, but because your perspective might help someone else see something they hadn't noticed before. Take care of yourself. You deserve patience.